I'm walking to my fridge and yeah, no, never mind, I'm not singing that song. Oh, never mind, I'm just telling myself. So, we have juice. I'll just show you, I'm not gonna say. And then this. The cat food. Yeah, you can't really see the stuff in the back, but there's stuff. Oh, we have fruits, vegetables, celery is not good, but we have that. We have a lot of eggs. And then this one's the hardest to see because there's a lot of things up here.